In total, I'm going to help you. There were 6 puppies. You sold, let's say, 5 of them for £50. That's £250.
Yes, Judge.
Plus another £90 is £340.
Yes, Judge.
You've got no evidence, have you, that she sold these puppies for more than that? No, you sold them for £340 in total.
Yes, Judge.
What were your expenses, roughly?
Cleaning equipment, mainly food for the pups and the dog.
How much would you say you spent?
Probably roughly about just under 300, maybe.
That sounds about right. So, in short, your response is, look, I may have agreed to give you 50%, but I've made 0 profit.
No.
Have you made any money out of this?
No,
whatsoever?
I haven't, Judge.
Kerry tells me she made no profit from the sale of these pups.
Yep.
Is that right?
I don't know, because I can't justify for that. Only she has got the answer to that, Judge.
Very true. Thank you very much. Josephine, as a result of your assessment that Kerry could have and should have sold these dogs for more, you've been labouring under the impression that she made a lot of money. And as a consequence of that, this has got pretty ugly. That's true to say, hasn't it?
Yes.
She's been saying pretty nasty things to you, Kerry,
Yes,
correct?
Judge.
What's she been saying?
Sometimes she'll call me like a silly or something like that.
So she'd be charming on the phone. When she would see you, she'd call you those
names?
Yes, Judge. Is that right to say? Do you use language like that?
No, Judge, I do, but not the way she's saying.
Have you said anything unfortunate to her? Has she been calling you names?
No, Judge.
We had a bit of an argument and I went to take Dee Dee back because she even texted me saying, come and take Dee Dee. So I went round the next day, but then she refused me Dee Dee and then she decided to put her arm in my throat, stop me from taking Dee Dee.
She did what?
Her arm in my throat.
Arm on your throat?
Stop me from taking
That's a very
Dee Dee.
serious assault.
Yes, but I didn't get the police involved, Judge. Because she was my aunt and
No, Judge, it's all wrong what she's saying. I turned around and said to...
Well, I understand you turned around. Did you assault her?
No, I didn't, Judge. It was her assaulted me and my nephew assaulted me as well.
What did they do?
Came round
That's lies, Judge.
When they came round to take Dee Dee, and I said, I didn't... well, anyway, she took him, but I knew that I'd get him back because I had him chipped at the vet. But he did go for me. Me and Kerry was fighting as well, and he pulled us apart.
So he pulled you apart?
Yes.
He didn't do a drop kick?
No, Judge.
That sound about right? You didn't get involved. The two of them were fighting?
Yeah, can I be honest, Judge?
No, please, lie to me.
Yeah, sorry. I'm going to be honest with you. These two was, like, at each other. I had to pull them apart, so therefore I had to use physical force to pull them apart. I did push Jo. I pushed her twice.
I believe it.
And the third time I said to her, if you carry on pushing me, I'm going to launch you into that room. And she turned around and walked away. She took my advice, but I had to use physical force, yeah?
So you pulled the two of them apart?
Yes.
Who would you say was the aggressor, Josephine or Kerry?
Josephine. She had Kerry round her throat like that. And
there's a lady that can barely stand. Kerry's in a headlock.
No, not in the headlock.
No,
she
had her arm like that, stop me from grabbing the dog.
Right.
Like that, basically, yes? Right? It's not a headlock, but...
Yes?
Yeah.
Then what happened?
Then I pulled them apart.
Josephine, how do you feel about Kerry now?
How do I feel? Disgusted with her.
Why?
Because of what she did to me.
Kerry, how do you feel towards Josephine now?
Well, at the end of the day, she's still my aunt.
For more Judge Rinder cases, click here. And if you've got a legal issue yourself, get in touch with us by clicking over here.